Hello. Welcome to Physics 21L Lab 3. I hope you've enjoyed your week. Well, some of you did. All right, now, the Lab 3 actually is very similar to Lab 2. We're going to use these same things. I think this is how we're going to have them set up. It doesn't really matter. The point is, if you look here, this is a setup from Lab 1. We're going to put these things here like that and that. And what we're going to do is we're going to measure like resistance of two resistors in series. That means it goes right through here, just like it does in the drawings in the lab manual. Or we'll take them apart, and we'll put them something like this, and we'll hook up all the electronics. I'll have a couple of these set up so you can see. And then we put it in there again, and we'll measure them in parallel. Now, when it's in parallel, that means the same voltage is applied on both resistors. When it's in series, it means the same current goes through. It means the same current goes through both resistors. Okay? Now, what do you get for a equivalent resistance when you have resistors in series? What do you get when you have? What do you get when you have two resistors in parallel for the equivalent resistance? What does that mean, equivalent resistance? I don't know. Okay, what it means is, what would the value of the resistor be if you had one resistor for that? Like, for example, let's say we wanted a 107 ohm resistor. Well, they don't make 107 ohm resistors. How would we get one? What you do is you make them out of other pieces of resistors, putting them in series and parallel. Okay? It's not that hard. I think even you can accomplish it, Colin. Colin's the cameraman today. And what we're going to do is we're going to see what the relationship is. You're going to measure resistance the same way you did before. You're going to measure voltages and you're going to measure currents. Now, a couple things is the lab write-up is a little bit unusual because it's going to talk all about how calibrating current probes and voltage probes. Don't worry about that. Those are the old style current probes and the old style voltage meters. We don't use those anymore, so we're set. Okay? The other thing it says a lot about, in a lot of them they use 2 current meters. Well, unfortunately, we don't have enough current meters to go around. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to measure one current and then take it apart and measure the other current. All right, put it at the other spot in the circuit. Okay? Otherwise, it's pretty basic. You'll be able to handle it without any trouble. Even Colin will. I know. He hates it when I talk about it. All right. Thank you very much. Have a great day, and I will see you in the physics lab.